Hey, get you again. I'm almost for 2 Gates Cooker 2. I'm in the city. Say me a word. Watch this. Chow and Dungeon Mercy. Holy shoot. Guys, I should have got the color Amber Tone. Look at my footsteps. If I could get focus. 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 And there you can see that. It is a child Dutch emergency. I should have about mercy and words. Watch. Amber. Look at what it was like. Look at this. And I can get focus. It could almost cover an entire state of Texas. A minute later, my HNC will go up and off, and my A5 in the bathroom is on right now. Times for today. Low tides at 9:55 a.m. High tides at 4:40. I think it's going to say it. Yeah. My timer says also it shows Dutch emergency. Not sure you can see that. Waterville. I'm trying to Android to see that. And that's a weather free. Also received the Charlotte Dutch emergency. I'm not sure this guy works yet. I'm not sure this guy received it. That's a man the message from earlier. And here we go. That will come out in a second. Silent message tone. This guy here also that's the wrong one. That's the wrong one. Special weather statement, but it does not see the Charlotte Dutch emergency. What we see if the Charlotte Dutch emergency later. I think the weather also received those Charlotte Dutch emergency. You see, that number is lit. Look, that number is lit. There we go.
The request of the Texas Division of Emergency Management. Temple police are searching for Asile Corson, black male, 2 years old, who was born on October 26th, 2011. He is 3 feet, 4 inches tall, 40 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, and he was last seen wearing a black hoodie jacket, blue jeans, and black shoes. Police are looking for Vincent Corson Jr., black male, 29 years old, who was born on June 13th, 1983. He is 5 feet, 8 inches tall, 200 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, with a beard, and last seen wearing a black jacket, black jeans in connection with the Sia's abduction. The suspect is driving a red or maroon 2007 Mazda 6 sedan with a Texas license plate number of CC South 2279. The suspect was last heard from at 2405 South 13th Street, Temple, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Temple Police Department at 254-298-5500. News media point of contact is Temple Police at 254-298-5500.
And that's Charlotte Dutch emergency. It should be the deal with the news soon. Yeah, I know it's this. Covered entire state of America. It does not received it. look at the weather. It's wind. Look at that number. It's wind. I miss. Should be staying at work. But it's last to go stay at work because it's just. Look at how much Dutch emergencies are there. Like a bunch of them. There might be another one soon. Update. Yeah, because that's my view. When this goes off, no, this when computer glare goes off, and that's then my tablet and where goes after that, where it goes off. Tomorrow is gonna be not ES, which is gonna be time 14.
Why he was kept from getting on one of the rides and why he is furious about the way the park handled the situation. Remember the man who was declared dead but woke up in a body bag? Well, this time he really has passed away. Why his family still calls the whole situation a miracle. And doctors in Britain have rebuilt a man's face using a 3D printer. You'll see the results.
3D? What the heck? Patchy fall, we get some this fall patches. The green wires, yellow LED. The issues before amputation for the child judging. At 12:98, couple minutes ago, the Amber came on the weather rails. Shoot. This is going to on YouTube. This is my tour of child abduction emergency. Missed EAS. Missed. It might come on the TV in a minute. It's hot in here. It's hot in here. That's random. And also New Hampshire. And from that west. Yeah, last one was what makes it sounds weird sounds. First, second, I really don't have any Amber got on this. Amber Words got on this. I think you guys like 10 or something. I think this is a 10 time in my phone. Second time. Second. On my tablet, first. First. I call it the first because it's the first time I have a BC picture. It's been off 2 times and this has been off 2 times close. And Amber came on the phone and my tablet. It sounded. It got me tell that I also missed. See? This is my first time that TVC the child in Dutch emergency. Alert. I think Justice does not have the Amber yet. But we are under a child Dutch emergency. And there goes our tornado warning. Was school? And this school.
Sea is 2 to 3 feet tonight. Southeast winds 10 to 15 knots.
Yep. Yeah, it's on channel 11. And they're going for school. It goes. What the heck is that? And look to sit down. What the? A child dodge emergency. What the heck? I look at my phone. There's an Amber Alert on my phone. I look at alert. There's an Amber Alert on my phone. I think this received it too. Nope. Received a child dodge emergency. Receive it. Oh my freak god. Gets taken for some time for some reason. See, I haven't enabled the child dodge emergency on my phone. Look. And there goes his archery warning. Child dodge emergency. C-A-E. Child dodge emergency. Or the child dodge emergency not one of these, but the top one. I should. Holy shoot. That's not good. That's not good. Bad for that child. Bad for that child. I'm so sad for that child. He got abducted. See? Activated. Oh, this is, look at my calendar. Amber. Yesterday there was a weather test I missed.